Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Marthe-sur-le-Lac is a charming town in Quebec. Located about 40 kilometers from Montreal, this town is nestled in the Deux-Montagnes County. It's surrounded by natural beauty, with the Lake of Two Mountains to the south, Saint-Eustache to the north, Deux-Montagnes to the east, and Saint-Joseph-du-Lac to the west. Sainte-Marthe-sur-le-Lac has an interesting history. It was established as a municipality in 1960, and has grown from a rural vacation spot into a vibrant year-round community. Today, it's home to nearly 20,000 residents. The town's name reflects its picturesque location along the shores of the Lake of Two Mountains. This setting offers plenty of outdoor activities, from water sports in the summer to peaceful lakeside strolls. Whether you're here for a short visit or planning to stay longer, Sainte-Marthe-sur-le-Lac offers a blend of tranquility and modern living.
Thanks for watching!